on today, Stuart?
Just running this engine in here. We've got 2 hours to do it, 2,500 revs. So it's a bit endless speeding a bit, and then once we get 2 hours on, we can increase a wee bit. The first 10 hours is running time, then we've got 10 hours to do basically as we want, and then it's 20 hours service. Morning, folks, and welcome to the Happy Hooker YouTube channel. Are we going to go and catch a pecker? Are we going to go and get a pecker? Big Comic Crank and Ratty Rachel. Here we are on board. Oh, I'm doing some wrecks. Try for a pecker.
You never even got to the net.
You grab it, I thought you could.
A Colombian package.
I was doing my best to clean the place up.
It's all about the environment. Some dolphin might have choked in this. It's a balloon!
Yeah, no.
I nearly fell it. No, because my GoPro nearly fell at my thing.
You want the net?
No. It's a balloon!
It's a balloon!
It's a balloon, Tom!
It's got a Tom Stevens.
Hey! Is that a one?
I seen one again.
Yeah. So proud.
Oh yes. I'll get the net for this and wait till. Wait to see if we hooked to the back or something. Oh, look at that corner.
Yeah, go neat. Either you take this or I'll take your net. It's easier for you. Yeah.
You can see that fish hooked in the back, and I'm going to look like a silly cup.
What have you got, Stuart? Tell your viewers.
It's a pound. It's a pecker.
It's a what?
It's a pecker.
Right. Let me see, Stuart. Turn it around.
It's a pecker. A wee pound.
Wee pound, yep. We're out in Loch Ryan. Stuart's out testing his new engine. We're out just off Loch Ryan. You can see the pier. We've been out. We've had what we had, Stuart. We've had mackerel,
It's a very early mackerel, yes.
pollock,
Coolies.
coalies, and Rachel got a cuckoo wrasse. So Stuart,
What's it called,
what was the objective of the day?
to get a few hours on the engine, and I think we're sitting at 6.7 hours. So at 10 hours I've got the green light to cane the hell out of it, So we're getting there. Engine's running fine. We've just been varying the revs. First 2 hours we are 2,500, no harder. And then we were able to vary it for between 2 hours and 5 hours. We've kind of chopped and changed. We're able to take it up to maybe 4,000 revs and then bring it back down, and don't hold it at the same revs for too long. Over 5 hours and a bit more freedom. We managed to open it up there, 5,000 revs for a brief period, then bring it back down to 4, drop it right back down, and bring it back up the revs. Running it in is all about variation of revs. Don't ask me why, but the people at Suzuki told me to vary the revs.
Stuart, why?
I don't know. But it's all about bedding the engine in. But
one comment I'll make, it's very responsive.
Very, very responsive.
It nearly put me off the back a couple of times because Stuart likes to just go.
We nearly left Kevin at the market, see?
Yep. No, it's been a good day. Early, but it's very early. March. We don't ever fish.
No.
This side at March, alright.
2 fresh mackerel, and we had some old squid that had been in the freezer half a dozen times, and a big squid that Kev caught down in Bournemouth.
Brighton.
Brighton. And some bits of pout.
And my home frozen mackerel.
And Kev's home frozen mackerel, which resembled mackerel soup when they defrosted.
They were great.
Aye.
For a rubby.
Aye. You lowered a strip to the bottom and it was dissolved.
Wouldn't it? Yeah, it wouldn't hold on to a hook. It was a bit.
No, it's no use.
It was poor. The old piers looking in a state, Stuart.
It is, isn't it? It's bad. To believe it, can I actually believe there's folks still fish on that?
New fence is up, but I've heard in the grapevine that some people still get on it.
I've heard that some absolute idiots get round about it, yeah.
Right.
It looks pretty impregnable to me, like.
You've not even said what kind your engine is.
So, the engine is a Suzuki 70. I got it from the great people at Clyde Outboard Services in Port Glasgow, who have also got a base at Troon, and they're there about once every fortnight. But absolutely fantastic service. From ordering the engine to having it fitted was less than 3 weeks. We left the boat up there for a week just because it suited me and it suited them, so they could have done it a bit faster, but a week turnaround was fine for me. So
fine. The iPad's on for the marks. Fish finder.
We're needing upgrades out here at some point, but little by little.
At least the fish finder's working now, Stuart.
Fish finder's working. There was a loose wire, and I'm kind of hopeless with wire, so Kev came out and his multimeter.
Yeah, you're better at O'Hale's than I am at Baden's.
Yeah, aye, well that wouldn't be hard, would it? Do you want to tell everybody about the progress in your boat?
Progress in my boat? Yeah, I went to change the bearings yesterday. Struggle to get some of the, is it the racers they call it? Oh no, the racers. The
bearing race.
Is that what they call it, the race? And yeah, I smashed the outside of the hub. I can swing a hammer.
Why did you try and take the race out? I left it in. It was never wrong, mate.
Tommy from Ardwell says you never leave them in, and Tommy's an expert.
Well, there was no corrosion in it or I seen the photo, it was fine, you should have just left it in.
Hindsight, I should have left it in, but here we are.
But technically Tommy is right, you're better to take them out.
Yeah,
But in a Bucksy fashion, you could have left them in, had the bearings, and the boat would have been towable.
For about 3 miles, till you put it off the side of the road.
We got it for Bar Hill and their bearings, there was nothing wrong with their bearings.
Alright, so that's us. We'll head back in, get the boat cleaned. Stuart likes to clean his boat.
I do. There's a decent size of collie about today, shows it's still early.
One of your pollock had teeth marks on the side of it, which is very interesting.
No ling today, we're after ling, none. No ling.
Bit early, we've never had them so early. What is that, Rachel?
That's because I was here.
Rachel's the ling jinx. For some reason they seem to evade her.
Well, at least we never had 8 foot high waves, because that's our normal.
So normal when Rachel's out, yeah.
Bob,
I'm traffic jam Kev, and that's wavy Rachel.
Yes.
Wavy Rachel.
Big C Rach.
Yes, so right.
We'll head back in.
Head back in.